Table sugar, sucrose, is made up of one glucose molecule and one fructose molecule. Found in almost all foods, glucose is needed by the body in order to function. Fructose, on the other hand, is very harmful to the body.
As fructose is not necessary for any biological process, close to 100% of it is metabolized in the liver. Inside the liver cells, fructose is turned into pyruvate, which enters the mitochondria. The pyruvate is then converted to acetyl-CoA, which is burned in the TCA cycle to produce energy in the form of ATP. However, a large amount of this is not burned, leaving leftover citrate. There is a protein, SRE-BP1, which starts a process called de novo lipogenesis, or new fat making. The leftover citrate is transformed to fat. The liver doesn't want the fat to remain inside it, so it gets converted to VLDL, which is stored in fat tissue. Not only can this make one fat, but VLDL contributes to heart disease. Some of the fat is also exported in the form of free fatty acids. These can get into the muscle, causing muscle insulin resistance. Not all of the fat in the liver is able to get out, resulting in the accumulation of fat droplets in the liver. This can also lead to fatty liver disease. Interestingly, the metabolization of fructose is almost identical to that of ethanol, also known as drinking alcohol. Ethanol is processed in different parts of the body, but about 80% is processed by the liver. Ethanol gets converted into acetate, which goes through the same TCA cycle and produces citrate. Like before, the citrate gets converted into VLDL, which is stored in fat tissue. Fat exits the liver as free fatty acids, and fat accumulates in the liver. Fructose does not share the short-term effects of alcohol, as fructose is not metabolized in the brain. However, the long-term effects of the two substances are almost identical and are equally harmful.
It is important to understand that although fructose is found in fruits, the nutrients in these natural sources are essential to the body and also reduce the harmful effects of fructose. Fiber reduces intestinal absorption, meaning the liver can more easily process fructose. In addition, fiber fills the stomach, reducing the amount of food needed to satisfy hunger. My name is Hakim Ajla. Think twice the next time you pick up a sugary drink.